Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. It's a Sunday special. We're going to go through a few things, answer a lot of the common questions that keep coming up in the comments. So mainly for all the regular viewers, we'll start off with some important information for the viewers in Australia that may want to purchase one of our parts kits or some of the things we talk about and what we use in the Prado hospital. So firstly, if you haven't figured out, if you're new to the channel, I'm Anthony, vehicle technician, over 30 years experience. We specialise in Toyotas and narrowed it down to Prados and Hiluxes over the last 10 years. Pretty well got down to Prado specialist, but also the 1KD FTV diesel specialist, simply because there wasn't enough people, if anyone, that understood the systems, how things work, what the problems are if you don't do all the right preventative maintenance. So if you do have any diesel engine, any four-wheel drives, maybe it's the sort of channel you want to subscribe and turn the bell on, because I've got the experience of a vehicle technician specialising in these vehicles, these four-wheel drives. We own a number of them and we actually use them out on the tracks, whether it's a day trip, doing harder tracks, whether it's the longer touring trips, whatever the case may be. And therefore you may be interested in our other YouTube channel as well, spelt the same as 4x4 Diesel, except 4x4 Adventures. Okay, so there's quite a few adventures on there and a lot of information if you want to get yourself educated. We are here to help. We're different to all the other, we shouldn't say all the others, a lot of the other YouTube channels and other people out there that just want to, it's all about, you know, selling you something or whatever. We're really doing our best to unsell you things and tell you all the things you don't need. This is a waste of money, you don't need that, because there's enough companies and people out there doing their shifty marketing and selling you stuff you don't need, because it's all about the bottom line profit, increasing profits every quarter. We'll see how that works out for them over the coming times, because I don't think that's going to work out. We're here genuinely to help you. So the first thing is, we don't have a website. A lot of people asking, how do I contact you and how do I buy one and where's the link? Okay, firstly, if we just wanted to sell you parts, we'd have a big website and I'd be able to sell millions and millions of dollars, and maybe I'll do already anyway, but of automotive parts and make heaps of money. You'd never hear from me. I wouldn't bother doing videos because the automotive industry is huge. We can access all the parts and sell you everything from a website, and I could have a company employing all these people. But no, I'm not that greedy, and I'm focused on helping you with a unique problem, and that is, well, it's not really that unique because it's across all industries, including automotive, and there's not enough skilled workers. So we're just here to educate you and help you do it yourself, because unfortunately in life, the way things is going, it's back to the way it used to be, and you need to be able to do a lot of things yourself, because you just can't get the people to be able to do the job right. They won't take the care you want. You want to keep your vehicle in a reliable condition so you can travel the outback, and you know, it's just not that easy to do. So some of the kits we do supply, they are quite unique and we do it different to everybody else. Okay, the reason they came about is because people asked for them. So let's start with, firstly, the Injector Kit Mondays. Okay, and just remember those two words, Injector Kit Mondays. Lock it in, right? Tomorrow's Monday, today's Sunday. Okay, lock it in. Injector kits. If you're in a, we can't supply the world, unfortunately. Like I said, there's just one of me. I've got a couple of helpers here and there, but not much. Pretty well doing it all on my own, and I'm doing what you would normally probably need a team of at least 5 to 10 people to do, by managing my time and how I do things. Okay, the videos are here for your information, so please watch them and listen to the end to make it easier, so I can help you, so you can help me help you. Okay, so Injector Kits on Mondays. 1KD FTVs only for Injector Kits, okay? We keep it all in stock. We've got heaps in stock. There's different injectors for the 1KDs. We will only supply you brand new, genuine injectors. Comes with pipes, all the seals and gaskets, all the EGR gaskets, intake, all the other bits and pieces. We've got a video. It's called Latest Injector Kit, or Latest Injector Information, from January 2021. Yeah, it's getting a bit old now, but it's still fairly accurate, and it does the job to give you the information you need, so you can come back to me and say, hey, yep, I want the full kit, or I don't need this, I don't need that. Just a little bit of information on suction control valves. It's only the older vehicles with the short one that needs the SCV. So if you've got a 150 Prado or something from about 2009 onwards, you're probably not going to need one, and I know that. But if it's an 05, 6, 7, 8, 9, that year range, that's where you've got to go to the vehicle, look at the back of the pump. And you don't have to do this the same time as the injector, so it's going to save you costs a little bit by not doing it at the same time, but it's going to just get it all done properly if you do, because the short suction control valve is rubbish. We've got a playlist on injector information. We've got a playlist on suction control valves. That's on our YouTube channel, 4x4 Diesel. Go check it out. If you need an injector kit, I am very busy. I need you to help me, please. From Monday morning, 7:30 a.m. It's a text message, okay? Text message is how we do it. We don't have a website. We don't have a link. Maybe you think we don't make it easy. Well, it is actually easy this way, because you watch that video, then you go, right, I want that injector kit. You text me, you say, hey, Ant, watch the video. I want the injector kit for my 2007 Hilux. Bang. I just type a couple letters into the phone in a reply, and bang, it's all pre-organized. Bada bing, and it comes to you. There's your text message with your bank details to make the payment to. As soon as the payment's made and we've received that payment, the kits get packed in the order that they're paid for. Now, I can't control whether 3 people, 7 people, 17 people, or 30 people buy an injector kit on Monday. Obviously, if you're one of the first, then you're going to be one of the first to get packed. If you miss the morning, I'd actually prefer if you waited till the next week, or write in the message, mate, no hurry, or something like that, if you know what I mean. So whatever the case may be, bada bing. And Monday is injector kit day, but most of all the regulars already knew that. Tuesday has been suspension day for a long time, because all our parts kits were on Monday, but it's changed a little bit. So stick around and we'll get on with some of the other information, or we might run out of time actually, but it's all important info, right? So Dobinson suspension, Australian made, Australian company. We've used it for years. It's in the vehicle we're driving right now. The ride is beautiful, although, you know, the worst part about it, I'll always say, is that the bull bar shaking around on the front of the vehicle. Ever since I fitted the bull bar to my first Hilux, it was a regret, one of my biggest regrets. Every other vehicle I've had since then that I've purchased second hand, if the only reason they got a bull bar is because there was a bull bar already on there. I've never fitted a bull bar. I've never needed a bull bar. Again, a bit different to everybody else. Now, each to their own. We're not talking about bull bars here. Some people need bull bars. Some people, I don't know why they do 60 and an 80 zone, but anyway, soon enough it'll be a 60 zone, so let's make the most of the 80 zone. Tuesday, if you want, it's Dobinson suspension only. We're not here to sell you. We're not Fulcrum suspension. If you want to get it all mixed up and get confused, contact them. See, it doesn't bother me whether you buy anything off me or not. I'm here to help you. So if you watch enough videos, you should want to get it off me to make sure you only get brand new fresh injectors, not counterfeit copies, not old stock, not remanufactured, not other brands, not kits that have got stuff you don't need, and not kits that haven't got the stuff you do need. Again, you need to get really in depth watching those videos in the injector information. A lot of videos are older. Yes, I waffle on a lot. It's all information you need if you want to be fully educated to look after your vehicle. Get it right the first time. Okay, so if you want the suspension, please text me on Tuesday morning. Okay, it's a morning job, 8:30 a.m. as soon as you can, ASAP. Let's get it done by 9, 10. WA a couple hours behind, okay, it's going to be 10 or 11, whatever. So I'm hoping they'll be the last ones, because guess what we've got? We've got the Prado hospital, which is about 25k. We've got a few Prado hospitals, but anyway, the main one, we've got the Facebook page, the Prado hospital. If you want to follow what's happening in the workshop, that's about 25k's northwest of Melbourne at the moment, and basically we're busy. Okay, so I can't be doing parts and working on cars and organising, dealing with customers and all that. So I want to get the parts orders and stuff knocked off in the morning, and then we get the work done in the afternoon and later in the week. Wednesday is BFE kit, right? So, you know, so Dobinson suspension, we're specialising in Prados. We mainly supply, I kind of won't say only, but generally only Prado kits, some Hilux kits for people that are listening, and most others, we just can't do it, because remember what I said, it's not a big company. If I was focused on greed and profits and maximum profits, so for any other makes or models, just go direct to one of the Dobinson's branches. And if you say, hey, you know, if you talk to Melbourne, if you talk to Sydney, if you talk to Brisbane, they're your main ones on the east coast there, those warehouses, and say, hey, Anthony sent me, hopefully they'll look after you. They might make a bit of a joke and have a laugh, oh, that guy, whatever you're like, right? Or if you want to support me for giving you all this awesome information, please be patient. Tuesday mornings, first thing in the morning, text me. I've got a Prado. Let me know what year it is, how many Ks it's done, what model it is, what sort of mods you've got, so we can select springs. But the first thing we do is I'll send you a price estimate. If you go, yep, I'm happy with that, I'll get an exact price with a freight delivered to your door. You need to let me know if you want the top hat, the front's assembled for DIY installation, or if you're getting it installed somewhere at another workshop, or if you want us or one of our workshop partners to install it. and we'll get that organised. We'll get an exact price, we'll get it paid for. Once it's paid for, then we'll spend the time to do the spring selection. That's Tuesday. Okay, Wednesday, BFE kits. Big front engine job, not big front end. Front end's your suspension underneath. BFE, big front engine. It's the front of your engine. All your drive belts, bearings, water pump, timing belt, idlers, tensioners, every 150,000 Ks on the Prados and the Hiluxes, BFE kit, right? That's Wednesdays. Text me in the morning. I need to know if it's a Hilux or a 120 Prado or a 150 Prado, because there's 3 different lots of components, okay? 3 different kits if you like. They are specifically packed for you. At the time, your invoice will be in the box. You also get a copy of it on the text message, and the invoices will be in the box. You'll get a photo of all the packages, express post with the tracking numbers. So no need to ask anything, but what you need to remember is please include your vehicle registration number. See that thing on the car in front of us on the number plate? That's what we definitely need, please, for the invoice, and your kilometres. Odometer reading, approximate if you haven't got the exact will do. And that's all we need. We don't need your VIN number unless we ask for it. The message says we may need your VIN number, so don't worry about chasing that. A lot of people want to chase that, and a lot of people don't include the rego and the kilometres, which we do ask for, please. So that's Wednesday. Thursday, what have we got left? We've got the Prado and Hilux front wheel bearing assemblies. That's the whole kit. That's the bearing, that's the 3 seals, you know, the O-ring, the bolts, and the whole hub, brand new, genuine. There's heaps of reasons why you want to do it this way, about every 200,000 Ks. And they're in the videos. Again, guess what? There's a playlist on that. There's a playlist on suspension. It's called suspension information. Watch that on for Tuesdays. On Wednesday, BFE kit, there's a playlist. Thursdays, there's Prado Hilux front wheel bearings, right? So you get my drift, but I've already gone 11 minutes, so we're just gonna have to call this video and go, this is the, I'm gonna call this how to contact me and how to buy my kits. What do you reckon, Charlie? That'd be about right? Yep. Sounds fair, yep. Okay, so we'll call it that. How to contact me and how to buy my kits. Let's say for the Aussies, and we love everybody else. We love our friends on the other side of the world in the US and all the other people watching. Appreciate your support. Keep watching the videos. A lot of people complain I talk too much and there's too many videos, so we might go to a video every second day. Please let me know in the comments if you're stuck around this long, because I don't need to hear from people that didn't, only the ones that did. If you're stuck around this long, you're a loyal viewer. You're awesome. You're getting yourself educated. Appreciate you listening, and appreciate that you like what I'm sharing with you. But if you did, please let me know in the comments. Would you prefer 1 video a day or 2 videos? What am I saying? A video every 2 days, not 2 videos a day. We're not doing that, maybe later, but it's either 1 every day at the moment, or would you go every second day? Or is there days of the week you prefer or you don't, or times or whatever? Anyway, thanks for watching. Like we said at the start, subscribe, turn the bell on so you don't miss the next important information. And what else? Hit the like button if you got something out of that. And look forward to getting your text message in the morning of a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday. Friday off for all the other business aspects, you know. There's always plenty of other stuff to do, whether it's extra work, doing batch statements or ordering parts. We've got to get all the parts in. It's just ridiculous, right? Doing way too much. That's why I'm really asking you, please help me help you. Thanks for watching. Catch up.